Hello my dear friends. So today we will discuss about the square and square root, okay, of the numbers. Okay my dear friends. So remember this, that before going to any lesson, I repeatedly told you, before going to any lesson you have to remember the fundas. Okay, what the general terms, what is that, what is a square? Previous classes you have studied it. Let's go for the simple process. Okay, what is that? Square is nothing but if I multiply two similar number, okay, then it will be written in the exponent form or power form. Then I will say that 2 square. I will read it like that. 2 square is how much? It is say 4. Understood my dear friends? Again, if two similar numbers are multiplied with each other, then it is written in the form of power form, that is 2 power of 2 or 2 square, and the result will coming as what? 4. So I will say that 2 square is equal to 4. So what is the next? What is the 3 square is how much? Good, it is 9. What is the 11 square? Yes, 121. Okay, remember my dear friends, to remember these squares you have to be recall square from 2 square to 30 square. Otherwise, if you know how to find out the square of any number in the simplest manner, then subscribe my channel. Okay, you will find out the trickiest form of how to find out the square of any numbers. Okay my dear friends, we will not talking about this one. Okay, right now we will not talking this one. Okay, now come to the further one. So what is a square root then? The reverse of square is called square root. If 4 will be written like this and I will put a symbol like this, this symbol is called square root. Sometimes it is written as 2. So if it is not written like 2, not written in 2 form, then what it will be? It's called square root of 4. Okay, so what is the square root of 4? Then in this time you have to remember that which two similar number I will multiply, 4 will come. We know that 2 2s are 4. Then the square root of 4 is, out of 2 2s you have to take 1 2. So the square root of 4 is how much? A single 2. Understood? This is the funda of square and square root. Understood? Later we will be discuss the topic for square root in the next class. Okay my dear friends? Now this topic is what? The simplest form of squares. Okay? Now come one by one. Understood my dear friends? So let's go to your textbook and find out some questions, that what are the questions it is given. Okay? The first question it is given. What is the first question it is given? The first question is given, it is saying that what will be the unit digit of the square of any number? Means 81. Then it is saying that 81 is the square of some number. You know it which number it is. But if I square it, then what will be the result of the square of that particular number? What is the result? Maybe whatever it will come. But what is the digit or the unit digit present it, you have to find out first in that particular result. What is the unit digit? 1 is the unit digit. If I will be squaring the unit digit of 81, then what will the result come? 1 will come. Okay. So here is the question. What is that? What will be the unit digit? First, what will be the unit digit? Okay, of the square of the number. Means if I square the unit digit, what will be the result it will come? It is asking. Understood my dear friends? What about the next one? Let's go for 799. In 799, which number is in unit place? Good, it is 9. So what is the square of 9? 9 square is 81. Whatever the result is coming, what is the unit place? The value is there, 1. So I will write here 1. Understood? Next one, what is there? 272. In unit place, which number is there? Good, 2 is there. So 2 square is how much? 4. So I will say that the unit square of 272 is how much? 4. Understood? Shall we go another one? Let's go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1234. Which number is present in unit place? Good. 4. 4 square is how much? 16. Very good. In 16, which one is in unit place? 6 is in unit place. Understood, my dear friends? So this is the first number of square of what? 6.1 exercise. Let's go for the second number. Understood? And the rest of the numbers you will do, rest of the problem you will do it by your own, my dear friends. Understood the funda? And do it. Understood? Now go to the second one. There is a rule is there. What is the rule? If a number is given, that by visualizing method, okay, by observation, by seeing by naked eye, how will we find out that that number is a square number? The number is a square of any number, or it doesn't a square of any number. Okay. So how? There is a rule is there. What is the rule? If in the unit place, what are the numbers are it will be present in the unit place? It is saying that 1, 4, 5. Tell me. It is saying 6, 9, or even number of zeros. This is the rule to find out the particular number is a perfect square or not. Perfect square or not. Okay. So what is the rule? In unit place of a particular number, unit place means one place. If 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 will be there, otherwise even number of zeros are there, then that particular number is what? A perfect square. Suppose an example 221. Let's take an example 221. Okay. Unit place which number is there? 1 is there. So I will say that this is a perfect square according to our rule. In unit place 1 is there. Okay. Suppose simplest form 36. In unit place which one is there? 6 is there. So I will say this is a perfect square. Okay. Except these numbers of unit place, other numbers are there and it is not the perfect square. Example 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Suppose in unit place which number is there? 2 is there. But according to our rule, what? 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, or even number of zeros is there. Is 2 is there? No. So it is not a perfect square. Again 1, 0, 5, 3. In unit place which number is there? 3 is there. So is 3, this number is a perfect square? No. Why? According to our rule, this number must be lies in the unit place. Understood, my dear friend? So this is not a perfect square. Let's go from your book. What is the, anything is there? Yeah, it is some number is there. What is that? 64,000. Now 64,000 zeros are there in the unit place. For zero, what is the rule? Even number of zeros. Even number of zeros mean 20, 40, 60, 80. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. It is the odd number of zeros now. So it is not a perfect square, though 64 is a square of any number. Okay, 64 is square of 8. 8 is just 64. But still it is not a perfect square. Why? The number of zeros is not matched with our rule. Understood, my dear friends? This is the funda. Okay, if you remember the funda, you can solve any question. Okay, my dear friends? Let's go for the, which one? Tell me. Tell me, my dear friends. Third one. Don't be confused. Remember the formula, you can do it. Okay? The third number is saying that the square of which of the following will be an odd number. Square of any number will be an odd number. Suppose, let's take it. 221, 144, 116. These all are perfect squares. Okay, understood? These three are perfect square. But in your third question is saying that out of these, which number is the square of odd number? Then simple rule is that on our, what is that? Whatever the exercise it is given, according to, if you follow that one, then automatically you will find out what is the square of the numbers. Okay? First go for the unit place. In unit place, which one is there? 1 is there. If I multiply 1 twice, 1 will come. It is an odd number. So this is the square of odd number. Understood, my dear friends? Now this one, unit place, which one is there? 4 is there. If I squaring 4, how much? 16 will coming. 16 is a even or odd? Yes, it is a odd number. So, sorry, it is a even number. So it is not come for what? What? It is not a odd number square. Okay. What about 9? 169. 9 square is how much? It is 81. 1 is coming or not? 81 unit place, 1 is there or not? So it is an odd number or not? So I will say this is the square of odd numbers. Okay. So like this manner you have to be find out. See how the rule of perfect square is implemented here. What is that? In the unit place, 1. Tell me what are the things will be there? 1, 4, 5, 6, 9, or even number of zeros will be there, my dear friends. Okay. But here, what is saying that which one is the odd one? It will be easy. What unit place, which one is odd? That one is the odd number square. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. It is easy now. Don't confuse yourself. Remember the rules. You can get the answers. Okay, my dear friends. Okay. Now come to the next point. What is that? A pattern is given. A pattern is given to you, and you have to fill that pattern. Okay. Study the pattern carefully. Suppose a pattern is there. Fourth number it is of 6.1. What is the pattern is saying? 11 square 121. First pattern. What is the second pattern is saying? 101 square is equal to, it's saying 10201. Next it is saying that what? Next pattern is 1001 square 100200. Now after that, how to solve the after problems? What is that? What are the means? How to solve it means you have to look at the pattern of these three steps. Okay, my dear friends. What is the 3 steps? See, how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. 2 will be put in the center and 1 will be in the side. How many ones are there? 2 are there. 2 is putting in center. But in between that 0 is there. How many zeros are there? 1 0. So put 1 0 left, 1 0 right, and 1 will be on the 2 ends. Here the pattern, see how many ones are there? 2 ones. Write 2 in the center. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. On the left hand side put 2 zeros. Right hand side put 2 zeros, and 1 will be ending with that number. Then what will be the next? 1 with 3 zeros. How many 1 are there? 2 ones. Right here 2. How many zeros are there? 3. From 2, 1, 2, 3. Left hand side, 1, 2, 3 on right hand side. Both the side 1 and 1. Understood now? Only you have to study the pattern carefully, and you will get the answer as soon as possible, my dear friends. So what is the next one? Can you find out the next one? How many zeros? 4 zeros. Then what will be the answer? Then what is the answer? Yes, good. First put the 2 in the center. How many zeros? Count it. How many zeros? 4. Good. Left hand side. How many zeros? 4. Right hand side. How many zeros? Good. 4 zeros. Then after what I have to do? Restrict the number with both the side 1 and 1. So this is the pattern of finding the squares of any numbers. This is the 4th question. Let's go for the 5th one. What is the fifth one? What is the fifth one, my dear friends? It's saying that, again it's saying another pattern. Let's see what is the another pattern. 1 1 square is equal to 121. Okay? Again it's saying that 101 square is equal to 10201. Don't rush for the other one. First study the pattern very carefully, my dear friends. Okay, otherwise it will be a very big problem for you. Third one is what? 10101 square is equal to 102030201. Yeah. Okay, then what is the next one? See, what is the next question is given? 1010101 square. Now come to study the pattern. What is the pattern it is given? First one is just leave it. Okay, go for the second one. 1 will be as it is 1, 2, 10, 20. 10, 20. Study like this. 10, 20. 10, 20. 1 will be close. Okay. Now 1 will be reserved. 10, 20, 30. Okay. So how many are there? 30. So 10, 20, 30. Then reverse it with what? 20 and 1. Okay, my dear friends. Understood? Next one is what? Next one. 1 will be reserved. 10, 20, 30, 40. 50 it is there. Okay, 50 it is there. I think so. Yeah. 30, 40, 50. Yeah. Then what it will be coming here? Just 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. Okay. Leave it. 10, 10, 20, 30. Sorry. 1 will be reserved. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay. Some mistakes is going on. What is that? What is the question is there? 10, 10, 10, 1. Okay? Okay? Sure, it is coming. 1 is what? 10, 20, 30. Okay. Again it is saying that 10, 20, 30. Oh. 0, 0, 0, 0. Yeah. Then how the pattern will be then? This one will be 10. 110, 20, 30, 40. Okay, go for it. How many? What is that? Right here, first what it will be? 10, 20, 30, 40. Then reverse 30, 20, 10. Understood, my dear friends? Then what will be the next one? Go for it, next one. 10, 10, 10, 10. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4. 110, 210, 310, 410, 5. Then count it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Reverse. 40, 30, 20, 1. Okay, my dear friends? See. Again I will tell you the pattern, how it will be remembered. Don't be confused, my dear friends. Okay? Okay. Remember that how many ones are there? 2 are there. You are writing here 2. Both is at 0 and 1 is there. But in the third pattern it is changed. Third line it is changed. What is that? How many zeros are there? 2 zeros are there. But here 10, 20, 30. Like this one you have to read it. 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Reverse. 20, 10. Okay? Understood? 20, 10 means it is 1 it is coming. Okay? Next. 10, 20, 30, 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Reverse. 30, 20, 10. Okay? Next. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Reverse. 40, 30, 20 and 1. At the last it is not written again 0, 1. It is 1 only it is written. That's why it is written like this manner. Understood, my dear friends? So study the pattern very carefully. You will get the answer. Understood, my dear friends? Let's go to the sixth one. Okay? What is the sixth one is given? Sixth one is also a pattern it is given. Okay? What is the pattern in the sixth one? It's saying that 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square is equal to 3 square. Write down that one. Go for the second one. What is that? 2 square plus 3 square is equal to 6 square is equal to 7 square. It is the question. Let me just check it. Yeah. Yeah. The pattern is like this one. So, remember this one. How it will be given? Here the pattern is multiplied here. 1 2s are 2. Whatever the result is coming, that 2 is squaring here. Okay? Again the successor of 2 is what? 3. 3 is written here as a square. Let's check it. The answer is correct or not? 1 square is 1, 2 square is equal to 4 and 4. 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. 3 square is 9 or not? Okay? Is this pattern is related to this one? Let's see. Only numbers will be multiplied. 2 3s are 6. 6 is present here. Okay. 6 successor which one? 7. It is the pattern is same. Then go for like this pattern. The third one is there or not? Just check it. Next one is which one? Yeah. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. Yes, the pattern is like that one only. 3 4s are 12. 12 is written here. Successor of 12 is 13. Okay. So go for it. Next one is 4 square plus 5 square plus 4 5s are 20 square is equal to 21 square over. Let's go for the next one. 5 square, whatever it is there. The numbers are increasing. 5 square plus 6 square is equal to 5 6 are 30 is equal to 31 square. Next number is 6. 6 square plus 7 square plus how much it will coming? Good, very good. 6 7s are 42 square is equal to successor of 42 is 43. Understood, my dear friends? So these are the pattern. You have to be studied it very carefully so that you will get the answer easy. Understood, my dear friends? Okay. Let's go for the next number. Okay, my dear friends. The next number is which one? Yes, 7. Very good. The seventh number is what? It's saying that if some numbers are there, without adding the numbers, how you will be find the result? Means sum of some odd numbers are there. Okay, my dear friends. Suppose 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9 are the odd numbers. Without adding with your fingers or your minds, can you tell me what is the answer? No, na? But you can add by yourself and you can tell it is 25. But without adding, how will we do it? The formula is what? How many numbers are there? Just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 means 5 square is equal to 25. The meaning is what? Without counting any odd numbers, then if n is the numbers, it is there means without counting that odd numbers, how you will find the sum of that number means n square. Means the total number present and the square of that number. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 will be written here. 5 square is 25 is the answer. Count it is 25 will come. Okay, my dear friends. So let's go for the next one. What is that? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. How much it will be? Same formula. Count how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, count it. You can find out the value is coming as 49. Okay. This is the formula. Okay. Next, any number? 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 9. These all are odd numbers. Then what is the sum of these all odd numbers? Same formula. Count the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Make it square of 10. How much? 100. Excuse me. So this is the number. What? This is the result. 100 will be coming. So without adding, how we will be find the sum of the odd number? This is the rule. It is there. Okay, my dear friends. If any question will coming regarding this, you can find it by yourself now. Good. Very good, my dear friends. Let's go to the another one. What is that? 8th number. The reverse of 8 number is 7 number is 8 number. Means what? What? Let's check it. If 100 is there, sorry. Let's go for the smallest one so that you can easily understand. Okay? It's saying that express 25 as the sum of the odd number. Express 25 as the sum of odd number means, first what you have to do? First step is what? Which square is 25? Which square is 25? Yes, 5 square is 25. So means I have to take 5 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. This is the answer it is. If it is saying 36. Now come once again. Whose square is 36? Question is coming. Whose square is 36? Good, Aniket. 6 square is 36. Means you have to write 6 odd numbers. Starting from 1. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. Okay? So this is the answer. Okay, my dear friends. Like this manner you have to solve the questions. Understood? Yeah, good. Very good. Let's go for the 9th one. My dear friends, if you have any doubt, you can write in my comments. Subscribe my channel so that you can clear your doubt very, very easily. Understood? Okay. Now come to the point. What is that? 12 and 13 are two numbers. It's saying that find out how many numbers are present or how many numbers are lies in between these two numbers. Lies mean in between these two numbers, how many numbers are there? Means squares of the number. Between the squares of numbers, how many numbers are there? Then the formula is there. What is that? What is the first you have to identify that? What is the relation between 12 and 13? Yes. Here 12, here 12 plus 1. I will write there 12 as n. And 13 as n plus 1. Now it's saying that if I square these two, then how many numbers are lies between these two numbers? Square of these two numbers. So, if like this question will be there means, you have to write the formulas 2n. Means what? 2 times of the preliminary number. Preliminary number is what? 12. So, I will say 24. 24 is the 24 numbers are there lying between the square of these two numbers. Example, what is the square of the numbers it is present? It is saying that 13 square is 169 and 12 square is 144. If I subtract each one, 25 will come. But don't confuse your here 25 because here the two numbers I am saying in between numbers. So here one number is added with this one. That's why minus 1 will do and 24 will be came here. Understood, my dear friends? Let's do another one. Now you will tell me, okay? Tell me, my dear friends. How much? 41 and 42. Now, what is the relation between these two? It is n and n plus 1 or not? If I add 1 with 41, 42 will come or not? So like this manner. If I squaring these two numbers, how many numbers are lying between these two? If the pattern is like this, format, okay, then simple formula is which one? 2n plus 2n. 2 into n. 2 into n means n is what? N is the initial number. What is that? 41. multiply it, how much it will come in here? 82. So I will say that 82 numbers are lying between the square of these two numbers. Understood, my dear friends? So my dear friends, if you have any doubt regarding today's class, you can write in my comments, like it, and if you like it means subscribe it, so that whatever the video I will send in, you will not miss that one. Understood, my dear friends? Thank you. Have a nice day.